Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the ultimate action camera. Powerful hardware. Leica Summarit Lens, co-engineered with Leica for superior image quality, featuring an f2.6 aperture for enhanced low light performance. 1.38K sensor, captures stunning 8K 30fps and 4K 60fps Active HDR video with 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Dual AI chip, a dedicated imaging chip for noise reduction and a 5nm AI chip for advanced processing, delivering 100% more computing power than its predecessor. Superior image quality. 8K 30fps cinematic video, ultra-high resolution for breathtaking detail. 4K 60fps PureVideo Mode, exceptional low light clarity with noise reduction. 50MP photos, ultra-sharp stills with incredible detail. 4K 60fps Active HDR, enhanced dynamic range for balanced highlights and shadows. Leica color profiles, signature Leica aesthetics for professional grade color. 4K clarity zoom, lossless 2x zoom for crisp close-ups. 4K 120fps slow motion, ultra smooth high frame rate capture. 157 degrees wide angle lens, expansive views with minimal distortion. Ready for action. Integrated wind guard, reduces wind noise for clearer audio. Rugged and waterproof to 39 feet, 12 meters, without a case, or 197 feet, 60 meters, with a dive case. Flow state stabilization plus 360 degrees horizon lock, rock steady footage in any scenario. Fast charging and long battery life, 1800 mAh battery, 180 minutes runtime, charges to 80% in 18 minutes. Weather resistant, operates in extreme temperatures, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Smart shooting features. 2.5-inch flip touchscreen, high brightness, 900 nits, for easy framing. Magnetic mounting, quick accessory swaps. Stats dashboard, overlaid GPS and fitness data from Garmin, Apple Health, and more. Bluetooth headset compatibility, works with Sena, Cardo, and other motorcycle headsets. Pre-recording, captures up to 120 seconds before pressing record. Gesture and voice control, hands-free operation. Easy editing and creative effects. AI highlights assistant, automatically detects key moments. Free frame video, shoot once, export in any aspect ratio, 9:16, 1:1, 16:9. AI warp and selfie stick eraser, fun effects and seamless edits. Time shift and star lapse, creative time-based shooting modes. Accessories, expand your setup. Quick release mount, switch between 1/4 inch and 2-prong mounts. Dive case, waterproof up to 197 feet, 60 meters. ND filter set, for cinematic motion blur. Specs at a glance. Sensor, 1.38K. Lens, Leica Summarit, f2.6. Max video, 8K 30fps, 4K 120fps. Battery, 1800 mAh, 180 minutes. Weight, 177.2 grams, 6.3 ounces. Buy now and push the limits of creativity with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2.